Mates from the triathlon teams that we have here. Baka may mga hindi pa registered sa inyo, just head over to My Daily Collagen Triathlon's Facebook page. Open pa yung registration. There's sprint distance, there's a standard distance, and meron pang relay distance for everyone to join. That's gonna be on March 9, less than a month from now.
So don't forget pa more sa mga hindi pa nagde-training. And we will be discussing yung mga race course, yung mga distance mamaya. But before that, of course, My Daily Collagen's 5th year, ito yung race 5th year na, o diba, on March 9. And on that day, as always, everyone will be coming together. Isa sa mga favorite ko na nagko-compete din ako before was a reunion of friends.
Ay, parang minsan hindi ka nasa race, akala mo nasa barangay ka kapag nagkarela ka.
Yeah, tsaka alam mo yung hirap ng training ninyo for months or years, tapos ito na yung culmination ng araw na yun.
Exactly. I remember last year, Micah told me na yung race day mo raw, para lang siyang celebration ng lahat ng pinaghirapan mo for months. And truly, when I did the March, the 2024 MDC Triathlon, ganun yung na-feel ko. Para siyang celebratory, para siyang training na catered. Para ka ng training na mas mahirap, pero meron ka ng mga hydration, meron ka ng support, may sigawan and all. And nasa battlefield ka na talaga. Graduation siya.
Reunion din, kunwari, ng mga friends mo, pero deep inside, yung mga kalaban mo, talagang naano ka nila, sinaside ka nila, diba? Yung mga, hindi nga ako masyado nag-training pero nag-training talaga siya.
Hindi totoo yun pag sinabi hindi nag-training. Naku, yabang yun. No, hindi ako naniniwala pag hindi sinabi hindi nag-training.
Marami tayong kilala niyan. Okay, so anyway, so everyone will be coming together in the gorgeous triathlon capital of the Philippines. Alam natin yan sa Subic Bay to celebrate every athlete's unique journey with a theme where stars are born. Bakit nga ba where stars are born, di ba? Because again, we are shining a light on each and every athlete and participant, whether bago ka, first-timer ka, or seasoned pro ka na, like Paul here. Like Paul! Because every one of you has a story that's filled with passion, ambition, and grit. And syempre yung dedication nyo sa pagising araw-araw, mag-training, yung pag-bike nyo, kung saan man bundok kayo magbabike, para yung mileage, and yung pagtatakbo, at kung ano-ano pa.
Grabe ka na pala yung piling matawag na season kahit hindi pa. Grets, grabe. This year, you're so proud to introduce the All-Stars team for the very first time. And i-clear lang namin, All-Stars doesn't mean that you're only elites or celebrities. It's about celebrating the dedication and heart of every participant because each one of us is a star on race day. But ikaw yung main character. Diba? May mga kalaban ka, pero kanya-kanya kayo moments sa finish line.
In short, bida-bida.
Ganon. Alam mo, tinuro sa akin ng coach ko, kahit gaano kahirap, pag merong camera,
kung hindi ka pagod.
do not ever forget to smile. Kasi ikaw magsisisi forever online yung pictures mo. Gano'n, diba? So, ngingiti ka lagi kapag may lente ka nakita.
Kunwari, hindi ka pa hihimatayin, hindi ka pa kapusa-kapusin niya. Talagang smile pa more. Kahit matutumba ka na.
That's right.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, meet our distinguished All-Stars team athlete who will be joining us on stage. Let's start with father and son tandem, Berwin and Aiko Meili of AO1.
Berwin and Iko, of Audience of One.
Iko ba? Aiko. Iko. Kinurek mo na ako kanina, Aiko pa rin sinabi ko. Iko and Berwin Meili. And of course, the head coach of Pinay Tribe and content creator, Vanessa Agdon.
We also want to welcome newscaster from GMA Network. We have Ms. Cara David from TriMac.
Grabe si Cara, daming time mo. Kaya pa more.
Magtuturo pa yun mamaya. Also, let's welcome on stage the Chief Sales Officer of My Daily Collagen, Oliver Salas. So guys, these incredible athletes exemplify what it means to be a star in our community. Now, today we're also honored to welcome the other members of My Daily Collagen Triathlon All-Stars. Please stand as I call your name.
Parang graduation lang ito.
Where is Ruth Paulina of Gas Coaching? guys. Halika yata sila lahat. Hello, halika dito.
At saka naka-cheerleader skirt siya.
Oh, watch out.
Hi everyone.
Hello.
Siya ka pala in person.
Nasaan si Erica Ree Garcia of Pinay Tribe. Hi, Ea. Say hi to Ea. Nasa likod siya. Where's Justin Ree and Liza of Lacan Tribe? Peace out. And of course, Andy Tormawan of Trimac. Hello. I-acknowledge na natin yung mga teams na present with us today. Lacandra is here. Welcome Lacandra. FitPH is also here with us. You Can Try is here. Recta Tribe team is also here. Pinay Tribe, I can see your shirts. Easy East is also here with us today. And Gas Coaching, huwag na huwag natin kakalimutan. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta.
Baka na pala natutulog mo yun.
And syempre, huwag na huwag natin kakalimutan, East PH is also here with us today. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta sa ating press conference.
Ayan. So excited na tayo marinig yung mga stories na i-share nila sa atin. Kwentuhan tayo, di ba?
Ganun lang gagawin natin ngayon.
Yes. And if you have questions that you want to send, we will read it for you guys. Ayan. Tanungin na natin. Let's start with a Q&A with John Bueno of Kumakaw.com.
Alright. Hello guys, good morning. It's been a year now since the last My Daily Collagen triathlon. What changes have you made so far with regards to the course and perhaps the overall program that's going to happen on March?
Well, first of all, good morning to all the guests, press, and VIP guests. So, basically, we don't have significant changes for this coming race since from the last week kasi it's the best race ever. So, maybe some changes, some minor changes in terms of bike course. This will be more a longer bike course, but still the same like the swim course will be at the Subic Bay Boardwalk, and bike course will be at I think at the NCT road for the Subic roads we're going to use. And lastly, for the run course, again it's going to be at the Sigara Villas, the luxurious hotel venue partner of My Daily Collagen Triathlon. It's very safe, it's a flat course, and overall the race courses, the best description would be a fast course. It's a PR course actually. So you can have your best time. So this would be your best race ever.
Right. That's the same partner that we had previous.
Yes, same. They don't make it project.
Okay. All right. Well, I'd like to ask, of course, the athletes. Can you tell us your experience in the previous races and what are you most excited for now that this is going to happen again?
I'm excited to say it's gonna be a PR race again. Like before 2000, that was like, that was the bike route that we always used and it was a fast, kahit may konting uphill. But this time it's faster kasi nga we're gonna go through Sigara Streets. Kasi nga the Sigara path is only exclusive to MDC tracking. So medyo flat yun. Kahit mainit, okay lang. But we are all gonna pray for good weather, right?
Yes.
Okay, please we're gonna pray for good weather and please don't forget to pray pati yung temperature ha, saka yung
So binabagin namin yung flat roads kasi nightmare sa mga triathletes pag narinig mo may uphill, pag may ahon. So the flatter the better.
So ngayon, konting uphill lang na mas mataas pa rin ng Vermosa. We'll be fine. Excited din pala ako kasi yung mga ginagawa last year na mga roads, okay na to do right now. So very, medyo smooth like that. So it's gonna be fast. That's it.
Ang difference ito
Excited lang ako bumalik. Kasi mag-iisang taon na ako hindi nag-race. Ayun, so pumuti na ako. Hindi ako
excited, kinakabahan actually ako kasi ang tagal ko na hindi kumakarera. Pero masarap naman yung feeling ng yung camaraderie kasi ng triathlon community. Hindi siya ganun ka-competitive. It's more of yung talagang pushing each other. So, yun yung excited ako about. Seeing friends and seeing people suffering together. Yung ganyan. Tapos, just being a better person, a better version of yourself. Yun lang. Crossing that finish line and feeling exhilarated na may nagawa kang challenge.
Nakapag-retrain na ba kayo, Miss Cara?
Hindi pa.
Cramming siya, cramming.
No, nagre-run naman ako. Tumatakbo naman ako bago matulog. Sinisingit kasi sa trabaho, it's really difficult to balance work and training. So, pinipilit kong makitakbo at least mga 3-4 times a week. Just after work. Tapos pag weekend, I try my best to bike. The swim is the part na hindi ko nagagawa. So, yan ang kinakabahan ako.
Alright. About you, Erwin, was it relatively easier for you to train because you have the automatic partner with Iko?
Yeah, nung una, automatic partner. Kaya lang, nung naiwan na ako sa bilis ng anak ko, hindi na pwedeng partner. So, magkaiba na talaga kami ng pace, ng training time, and schedule. But I think yung exciting part dito is last year, nag-vlog lang ako eh. The whole family supported my son. His first triathlon last year. And medyo maganda yung resulta. So exciting yan kasi ako naman yung lalaro. And then after that, last year kasi sabi ko sa kanya, anak, after this, vlogging this my daily collagen, I'll start training na rin. So from there on, it's also anniversary to my triathlon experience. Yeah.
Alright. Ikaw, nag-level up na ba ang training mo because of this?
Yeah, I'm very excited to go back kasi last year, and yung sabi na it's my first ever triathlon. So, coming to that race last year, I was coming in with no experience. I was a beginner. So, now na babalik na ako 1 year anniversary of my first ever triathlon, I'm excited to actually race. Kasi last year I was just there to gain experience, pero now...
Pero nag-second ka sa experience na yun, eh?
Yeah, I was second in my
podium place.
So this year, excited to siguro place overall siguro din sa iyo.
What would your advice be for, beginners per se?
Actually, ako feeling ko wala pa akong right na magsabi kasi 1 year pa lang akong nagtatrato. Pero siguro enjoy mo lang. Enjoy the moment, especially if you're joining here sa Subic Bay kasi super famous yung Subic Bay. So, yeah.
Alright, thank you so much.
Thank you. Our next question is from Jaman Villanueva of Orange Magazine.
Hi, congratulations. First question ko is, can you share yung tips nyo on doing yung preparation process? How hard it is? Intensive ba siya or smooth flowing na confident tayo gawin? Yun muna.
Ako siguro may training, shoutout kila Coach Jet sa Body Big Triathlon. Mahirap siya pero at the same time, madali. Kasi nagiging madali siya kasi mahal mo yung sport. So, kaya everyday consistent lang kasi especially as a student, I try to balance training with college. So, it's hard, hindi lang yung sport itself, pero managing it and balancing it with life. And, yeah.
Pero sa akin sa training, di na po ako bata, no? Wala na akong ibang hangat, hindi naman na manalo, hindi just encourage everyone. Like yung nga yung sabi ko kay Oliver, we have the same heart and passion to encourage others doing multi-sport to join triathlon also. Hindi naman na natin i-encourage, wala naman akong say para encourage si Coach Jen, lahat ng mga coaches, triathlon team, di ba? Magagaling at puro-puro interesado na yan. Siguro maganda, ma-encourage natin yung mga naliligaw pa, yung mga kulang sa exercise, di ba? Yung mga kailangan pang inspire. So yun lang. So I always share to my son na which I'm doing also since I'm turning 48 na rin. Sabi ko lang sa kanya, gawin natin regular yung mahirap hanggang sa maging madali. I think that's the best part, not only in the sport, but in life also. Sobrang daming problema, but I think that's one of my, my key or my tip for everyone na gawin mo lang regular yung mahirap. Sooner or later, magiging madali rin yan. And mukha naman, nangyari sa akin sa triathlon, wala akong data, wala naman akong coach, but by God's grace and prayer, mukhang okay naman, nag-develop naman. So na-enjoy this sport. Thank you.
Siguro ang advice ko is kahit hindi ka seryosong athlete or hindi ka naman seryosong manalo sa isang event, get a coach. Lalo na kung may edad ka na katulad ko, ako I'm turning 52. Anong ba ako? So, I'm turning 52 and tama yung sinabi ni Berlin, merong mga sumasakit-sakit na. So baka mamaya sumasabay ka doon sa mga age group na hindi na kaya ng katawan mo. So a coach will really help you manage your expectations, hanggang saan lang yung dapat mong gawin muna. Tapos, yes, I encourage everyone to try entering into a sport. Kahit hindi yung swim, bike, and run, kahit swim lang, bike lang, or run lang. Kasi malaki yung maidudulot nito sa iyong personal life. Hindi lang sa katawan mo, pero your mental health as well. Siguro nagkano ng mga tao, paano ko pa nasisingit sa dami ng ginagawa ko sa buhay? Pero kailangan ko siyang isingit to keep me sane and to make me happy. Kasi ang exercise gives you natural endorphins, happy hormones. Kapag malungkot ka, tumakbo ka, magbisikleta ka, ewan ko, sasaya ka. Hindi ba, coach? Nakakasaya? Hindi mo, ikaw ang saya-saya mo pag tumatakbo.
Yes, totoo lang, masasarap talagang matulog yan. Alam mo, ako kasi talaga, even as a coach, I don't know how you guys do it. I see you guys train so hard, like wake up at 4 a.m. I can't do that. That's not me. So maybe as a coach, I think I could connect to some other people in that level. Kasi hindi naman lahat tayo athlete. Wow, wake up at 6 a.m. Eat this, eat that. No, hindi ako ganyan, promise. I'm just here to have fun, right? So that's why I really love the MDC Try. Kasi we're just here to have fun. And for my tip, is tama si Ma'am Cara, is get a coach. Kasi not everyone is the same. Not everybody, not even the schedules, the responsibilities, even genetics. Okay, the amount of how you recover, how fast you recover, diba? Iba-iba siya eh. So with that in mind, if you have a coach, hindi ka nagigising sa isang araw, and then you're like, what am I gonna do today? What am I doing wrong? Diba? Bakit sumasakit yung tuhod ko? May ginawa ba akong mali? The coach will actually know what is happening to you, and you have the guidance. You keep the guessing off the game. It's easier. Wake up, look at your training peaks or your assignment, and then you know what to do. Right? And you have somebody on call. If you have any questions, right, Francis? Kailangan ng coach. And with that, you have to train as much as you can. With the schedule, other people, I have athletes that are mothers. They have 3 kids. They're really tight with the schedule. So having a coach, knowing, coach, I only have 30 minutes for this day. What can I do? And they'll put the schedule right there. So yes, get a coach.
Last question. For the brand, sir, nakalagay kasi sa bottle is once a day. Is there such a thing as pwede ka ba ma-overdose with that? Can you mix it with pico tablet? And what's the best time to consume it?
Actually, it's a very good question. So, going back to the sharing that we have with our Japanese partners, there's no actually overdosing collagen. So, we've been supporting a lot of athletes, not just triathletes. So, most of them, they take daily collagen before and after training. And I would like to also to share that we are also a partner of Delivery Pilipinas. We are the official collagen. So the candidates are taking my daily content pick up tablets like 5, 6 tablets a day. Ganun sila gano'n sa products natin. And because of its high quality ingredient, it's very effective. So, talking about overdose or best time to take, there's no overdose. And then best time to take, basically if you're not doing any high activity or hindi ka na masyadong active, you can take it before bedtime or before you start your training. And most recommended is after training for recovery. So collagen kasi is not just for the skin, it's also for the joints, it's your supplement and muscle recovery. So actually naturally we have collagen in our body. So what we do is to supplement it by taking my daily collagen. And the main ingredient of my daily collagen kasi is the highest form. We call it the marine collagen peptide. So if you do your research, marami kasing source ng collagen. But again, since it's made in Japan, formulated in Japan, no questions asked in terms of quality and activity. So kitang-kita nyo naman, no? Ma-addicts natin. So malakas na, very active pa. Of course, gumawa pa nyo agad.
Your last, during triathlon, so what should dapat ito?
Okay, not just during triathlon. We recommend taking my daily collagen supplement during training. So, for example, if you do your HIIT training, so this is very normal to triathletes kasi ang run namin usually mag-start na yan mga around 9 or 10 a.m. Kung long distance yan, mga noon time. So you have to at least acclimatize or familiarize yourself in terms of heat and the temperature. So, ang ginagawa natin, we try to simulate, diba? So that's how we manage ourselves. So having said that, masyado tayo nakabilad sa araw. So masyadong nagkakaroon tayo, there's a sunburn issues in terms of skin natin. And we have a lot of athletes who did participate in international races na nagtitrain talaga sila ng 1 p.m., 2 p.m. And my daily content really help them to make their skin stay hydrated and mas madaling mag-recover kung meron tayong mga burning issues because collagen has a healing ingredient or healing properties siya. So it's a good talaga supplement. Like after you mag-dry lips mo or yung skin mo, hindi ka magda-dry. So it's a overall supplement talaga yung collagen.
Thank you, sir.
Maraming salamat. So, meron pa ba tayong last few questions for Miss Cara? Yeah, for Miss Cara. Kasi may klase pa raw si Miss Cara sa UP. So,
let's call on Miss Kate Adhar of Random Republica.
Thanks. Good morning. My question's for you, Miss Cara. Have you always been athletic?
Hindi. Diyos ko, napakalampak kong tao.
So can you describe the kind of joy you get from racing?
Sobrang lampak kong tao. As in, wala akong sport. Maniwala ka sa akin. Kaso lang gusto kong pumayat. Yun lang talaga yung nangyari. Kasi kapag tumatanda ka na, mahirap nang mag-burn. So, ayun, gusto ko lang pumayat. I got into biking. Before the pandemic pa, siguro mga 2016, ganyan, nag-start ako mag-bike. Tapos nagustuhan ko yung pagbibisikleta. Tapos, may mga nakilala ako na mga nagbibisikleta. Sabi nila, sama ko kami mag-run. So, sumama ako mag-run. Sabi, mag-swim na rin tayo. Tapos, ayun, pinagtugtong-tugtong na lang. Ay, trial din na po. Ganun lang yung nangyari. Ako po ay isang dakilang madaling mabudol. Nabudol lang po ako ng bonggang-bongga. Kasi hindi ko alam at trial din na ako ngayon. But the joy that it gives me, sinabi ko na naman ito sa on social media. Meron ako kasi, I have a condition, I have bipolar disorder. So, instead of taking a lot of medicines for my mental health, the doctors advised me na regular exercise really does wonders on your mental health. Whether you have a condition or not. Kasi may natural endorphins talaga na nare-release when you do exercise. And it really helps me. Pag malungkot ako, sakay ng bisikleta, tapos sasaya ka na, tapos maganda pa yung katawan mo. So para siyang double double win siya, di ba? You're able to improve your physical health, you're able to improve your mental health. Tapos hahaba pa yung buhay mo, di ba? Tapos, you gain a lot of friends pa. Di ba? You gain a lot of friends, dadami pa yung magbubudol sa'yo. So, ang advice ko, magpabudol po kayo, basta health related, magpabudol po kayo kasi it's a good budol.
Maraming salamat po. Palakpakan natin si Miss Cara.
Sorry, hindi ko ako klase.
Pinaupo lang talaga namin.
Ako yung professor sa UP. Klase pa.
Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much.
Ay, pwede mag-group picture bago ko malis. Please, oo. The press and of course, our friends from My Daily Collagen. Ano no?
Ang lakas mo mag-swim eh.
Noon ang bayahon. Ayan, oo. Photo of...
Pwede po tayo mag-Q&A mamaya. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
We're still have some questions from the press.
Carol, cute ng story mo ha. Thank you for sharing that.
Tapos, sinasabi pa niya lampa pero nagtupuan yung po yan. Okay, sabi nga kayo na pag walang training, sinasabing walang training. Pero nagpo-podium yan si Cara David.
Talaga.
Super. Abangan natin yung mga magte-trending na soundbites ni Cara para sa My Daily Collagen Triathlon Training for 2025. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po.
Okay, we have another question from Kate.
Sir, for the brand, what improvements have been made over the past years talaga sa run? Ang gulo-gulo ko
Well, again, we're very grateful that we have reached this 5 years as My Daily Collagen Triathlon. So looking back from the very first year, so we made a lot of adjustments in terms of safety and security. So every year we try to improve and add more measures on how to make our race memorable and at the same time safe talaga sa mga athletes natin. And of course, other improvements or changes that we did is every time na mag-race ka ng My Daily Collagen, your experience talagang pasaya ng pasaya. So as you can see, we're very thankful to our community, sa lahat ng coaches, sa lahat ng guests natin. So being here with us today to celebrate this press for the announcement of My Daily Collagen.
Thank you, Kate. Next, we have Danny Vivas of Daily Tribune. Nasaan na si Danny?
May basa kay
What ang loud na okay. Pagpayaman lang ba yung ganitong like how does one, does it take a lot of money to train it to be able to join a triathlon? How much money should I have? Assuming that I'm young, but I am not. If I want to train to be a triathlon athlete or competitor.
Hi sir, Coach Ben here. Actually, sa totoo lang, it's not a lot for, especially for triathlon events like this. As long as you have a working bike with brakes, you can use it. Okay? Yun naman, tama, di ba? Kasi ang akala naman ng iba, kailangan ng bike or road bike or any bike will do as long as it has brakes. Okay? You can wear whatever you want as long as it doesn't impede you in swimming properly. So kahit naka-swimsuit ka, have decent goggles, have a bike, running shoes, then you're fine. And you have your friends program, you can ask for that too. So, yun na yung pinaka-budget friendly plan if you want want to do a triathlon?
Yeah, tama po. Mahal po yung sport na triathlon, pero hindi ko sinasabi na pangmayaman lang siya kasi pwede rin gawin siya ng ordinaryong tao. Kami po yung pool na pinag-swimingan namin is malapit lang sa amin, and then pair of running shoes. Sa kalsada lang din kami tumatakbo, and then invest one bike, tama yung sinabi ni coach. With brakes, okay na po yun. Pwede kang magbukang mayaman sa triathlon kasi sobrang daming choices. Dati nung araw wala namang konti ng running shoes, simple lang. Ngayon ang dami na po, lahat ng science pinagsama-sama na. So pwede siyang pinakamayaman, lalo na kung naiingit ka, pwede yun. Kaya lang kung simple ka lang, pwede rin po. I think the most important part din, discipline. Yeah.
And for me naman, same lang din kay Coach Ed, sa sabi nila is, it doesn't have to look fancy. Your bike, kahit unbranded siya, as long as hindi siya electric, tsaka hindi ka mandalaya sa race, okay lang. So, as long as may brakes, running shoes, yun ang ganun din, it doesn't have to be branded. As long as natatakpan yung ilalim ng paa mo, hindi ka masusugatan, you can go out the gate, go for a run. Sa swim, ganun din, like, you can go to the pool kahit once a week if medyo pricey, okay na rin. So, yeah, kahit less muna sa forma, more on just enjoying exercise, enjoying the sport para makatipid and less gastos.
Sir, gusto ko rin magdagdagan sa triathlete for a year. Hindi ko po itatanggi, magastos po talaga siya. Pero ang mindset ko po ron, it's my health insurance. Instead of spending it sa gamot or maintenance or whatever, nasa hospital ka, it's better to spend it sa mga items na makakatulong para sa health. So that's my mindset when it comes to
prevention is better than cure,
right.
Pero kung jump-forms ka, magastos po.
Ay, totoo po. Kaya napakagastos po ng mga kaibigan natin
parang
dito.
yung mga kaibigan po natin dito, mga jump-forms.
Papahalanan ko po yung magagastos
Oo,
dito.
yung mga dito, doon din magastos.
Ayan. Ay, nadagdag po si Oliver.
Sir, just to add lang po, no? Actually, it's one of the main reasons kung bakit po may daily content triathlon. So, dito po, we are very accommodating and at the same time, to let people know that if you want to become a triathlete, hindi naman po siya, it doesn't cost you anything. I mean, hindi naman siya kailangan kamahal. And of course, yung may daily content triathlon is to give you the best experience to jumpstart your triathlon journey. So, hindi po ganun siya kahirap i-access in terms of the registration fees and at the same time, sir, yung experience niyo masaya. So, nandito kami sa may daily content triathlon para iparamdam sa inyo na if you dream to become a triathlete someday, dito po kayo magsimula sa may daily content triathlon.
But I have a last question for Win. When you're going back, are you ready now to go back to showbiz? I think people in showbiz miss you.
Yeah, kakatapos lang namin with Net25, with Tita Maricel, Epi, Derek Kais. But I think open naman ako, kaya lang, syempre, marami ng ibang komedyante, marami ng ibang platform for entertainment, so iba-iba lang.
Fitness muna ang kanyang priority ngayon. And now, a question from Net25, Cesar Badina.
Hello po, for the brand po muna, sir. Yes, sir, Sir Oliver. Sir Oliver, just your tip here, right po. Kailan po nag-start na kayo?
We started back in 2019. May day na po sa triathlon. So, doon po kami nag-start, sir. And other reasons, sabi ko kanina. And of course, we want to be a choice or preferred choice of people who need to become a triathlete someday. Dito po sa amin magsimula. Kaya sir, on this 5th year, ang ating pong team is where stars are born. Because looking back on our very first triathlon, we are very proud to share and say na yung mga sumasali po sa amin since 2019 or yung mga sumali po sa amin before, sila na po yung mga familiar faces in terms of international races, mga long distance races, and being a brand, being a event, may daily content triathlon. Every time we see them going up to the podium, every time we see them competing, even posting ng their trainings, competing abroad and local races, very proud po kami, sir, na sa amin sila nagsimula. Kaya where stars are born.
Kumbaga, malaking bagay po yun sa mga athlete yung ginawa niyo po na program na event for yung triathlon. Then I would like to ask din po, kasi we know naman that you're doing this kind of activity rin, is to create a community na umiikot din sa daily collagen. Kumusta po this is part of your marketing strategy as well. Kumusta po ang impact nito dito po sa brand? At pang ilang taon na po ba ng brand sa community?
Okay po. Unahin po yung tanong sir ninyo yung sa regarding po dun sa from the start kami and how we grow. We're very happy to share that nung nag-start po tayo back in 2019, ang ating po participant is around 800 participants. And then nagkaroon ng pandemic. During pandemic, medyo nagkaroon tayo ng konting nagkaroon tayo ng suspension ng race natin. But hindi po kasi alam din ng karamihan, back in, I think it's in 2021, since na-postpone po yung race natin for 2020, si May Daily Golden Triathlon po, siya lang po yung triathlon event na na-execute natin ng virtual triathlon back in 2021. And then as we move forward, this data actually came from Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority or SBMA Tourism Department, and they're very happy to share that in the past 2 years, post-pandemic, May Daily Golden Triathlon is the most attended triathlon in Subic. So yun po yung magandang balita sa amin, and hopefully we can sustain the momentum, and it is in relation with the community that you're asking me earlier. So in connection to that, it's a strong indication na we have a growing community. And as a brand, hindi po namin siya masabing actually a promotional event, but it's more on how we communicate the value and benefits of our product. Ang sa amin po kasi sir, is every time we communicate or we present our product, yung value and benefits po na may Daily Golden, if we were going to turn them into a person, si Barry Melion, si Igo Melion, si Coach Vanessa. So perfect in terms of personality, in terms of vibe. So yun po yung aming positioning dito sir.
Thank you po. For the 3 athletes po, mas more or better po ba to drink a collagen drink than the energy drink? Kasi di ba po, kapag yung mga sport yung mga athlete, mas aware sila na ang iniinom nila, yung energy drink, yung now, meron din pala na collagen drink na pwedeng inumin prior for this kind of activity.
Hi sir, Coach Val here. Mga ilang oras po ba po? Medyo allotted natin for this. Energy drink kasi is different from my daily collagen. The collagen is collagen, it's a supplement, it's vitamins. It's a kind of protein, so it's for recovery. Energy drink is caffeine. It's like, it's gonna wake you up. So it's basically a different thing. No? So this one's for recovery after your race. It's the best time within 2 hours drinking. Sometimes I drink 2 bottles during a ride, and then after 1 bottle. Ganon. As in 3 bottles ako if I had a very long day.
Broadcaster, journalist.
For recovery. So it's different from energy drink. The energy drink, caffeine, carbs. Yeah, really good.
You never do that.
Yes, of course I have to drink it because caffeine is good to wake you up, okay, to keep you focused. Okay, carbohydrates is what your body needs for you to move. That's what you eat. But basically, if you have really short workout, your food will suffice for the activity. But you can message me if you're interested about nutrition. As a coach, I do have background for the sports nutrition. So yes, I drink energy drink, pero not the same. Alright? Hindi yung iniisip mo, yung Red Bull or yung Monster, no. It's a different kind of energy drink. That's very simple sugar spirits. So it's not really good.
Kung baga po, magkaiba po siya na pwede niyo po i-take food, pero this one, collagen is after the event.
Yes, and my daily collagen is for everything. Okay, yung energy drink kasi yung gonna hyper ka lang every day. Only before a race or before a workout. So, yun na. I hope that answered the question.
Thank you po. Just to add,
Okay, thank you. Oh, continue po.
may mag-ano po.
Wala ako ng mic.
Ito, yung mic ni...
Just to add lang, sir, no, My Daily Collagen is also, hi Milo, is also sponsoring a PBL group, PLDT, high-speed hitters. So, they are taking yung collagen kasi it supports their joints. Ang pinaka nagustuhan ko about the product, not that I'm endorsing it, kapag iniinom yun, instead na mangingitim ka, namumula-mula yung balat mo when you're training under the sun. So yung pinaka-favorite kong ano yan. Smooth and yes, diba? Mamula-mula, hindi ka nangingitim. So aside from it, supporting your joints, hindi mo kailangan ng filter sa Instagram.
Natural?
Correct.
Wow, natural pala yan.
Diba? Oo. Kasi ito na, wala dyan ako.
This morning, I just ran 10 kilometers and then I swam. So, ganun pa yun.
Kaya pala rosy cheeks si Coach.
Exactly.
Okay, before we continue with the Q&A, let's talk about ito na yung race score. So, My Daily Collagen's Chief Sales Officer, Oliver Salas, will tell us all about ano ba dapat may expect and yung mga distances na pwede nilang salihan.
Okay, so our race, we call it a race weekend, but for some athletes or majority of the athletes, we call it race vacation. So it's a race indication where you can bring your family, your supporters in Subic. So that's one good thing about this event. So talking about the distances, we are offering actually 3. So we have the sprint distance, the 750 open water swim, we have the 20-kilometer bike, and then the 5K run. So it's very ideal for beginners, for coaches, at yung kanila nare-recommend. And of course, sa mga gusto lang na makabalik din, like Travis Carap, pwede get the distance niya. So, and then we have the Olympic or standard distance. So, double the distance of the sprint. So that's 1.5 kilometer open water swim, to be followed by 40-kilometer bike and then 10-kilometer run. So those are the two major categories that we are offering. And the third one, ito yung mga...
Masaya to.
Masaya.
Barkadahan to
Yes, and then I would like to highlight lang this team that will be joining. I think there are about 12 or 15 relay teams. That is PH team. They're here. Maraming salamat. So, when I asked them, bakit sobrang major goal nila or major category relay? Because this team is a family team. So, nandito yung husband and wife, and then yung daughter or son, pwede din dito. So, it's a relay team, it's a 3-man relay team. So, each distances or each discipline, meron tayong athletes. And then, this is also a good category for those who have background in swimming, in running, and in biking. But for example, wala kang bike, or hindi ka pa confident sa distance ng bike natin, or you're just into a running pa lang but intend to become a triathlete someday, ito yung best category that you can bring some friends. Ito na po, dito na pumapasok yung budol. So, kung marang mo, join tayo, di ba? But, yun nga, yung experience talaga dito yung ito pa yung triathlete. So, yun siya. So, and then we have 2 days. So, first day natin, race kit training, where you can get all your stuff, the fit inclusions at Cigar Hotels. And then, Sunday, we'll start, I think, around 5:30, 5 o'clock opening transition natin for the actual race.
Thanks, Oli. I think ulitin lang natin, no? We also started this run race route last year. We're still passing through a route that features yung pancake flat roads leading to our official run course partner. Exclusive ito for MDC Try, the Segarra Villas, para at least scenic yung run na gagawin natin. I tried that last year also. Mahirap, pero masaya.
Mahirap na masaya.
Mahirap na masaya.
Yun naman ang pinaka-rewarding mo,
Yes.
di ba?
Yes. Yun yung pinaka-rewarding talaga. So we wanna...
Ano yung distance ng relay, by the way?
Ang distance na relay natin standard distance. So you do the 1.5 swimmer, the swimmer, then the biker, you do the 40 kilometer bike, and then ating run is the 10 kilometers. So also the family of Torny Dong, ito yung kanilang relay yung category. And yun nga, hope that everyone can also join. So yung mga gusto pa mag-try yung relay.
So yung relay, hindi na separate yung female, male, mix.
We have different categories. So we have all female, all male, and mixed. So one of the good things that we are offering here in my daily college is parang sabi nga parang kami nagpapamigay na ng podium awards. Because we want everyone to make this a memorable one. And naghihirap kayo, we know the trainings, the preparation. So we have more podium awards that we are offering for this race.
Okay, Paul, maybe we can ask, meron pa mga last questions na gusto ihabol from our friends, yes?
Safe po siya sa mga medical conditions.
Safe daw ba sa medical condition?
Yeah, for those who have medical conditions, as a standard practice, or at least if you have a coach or if you have medical condition, we always suggest to seek a doctor's advice kung ano siya. And of course, makakatulong din if you have a coach that they can guide you kung ano yung capacity mo as a person, if you can already do the Olympic distance or short distance. So,
actually po, tuwing race day, yung mga host ng mga events natin, pinapaalala, nire-reiterate ko, kung meron kayong nararamdaman na kahit konting pagsikip ng dibdib or whatever, magdalawang isip kayo if you wanna continue the race. Kasi kailangan...
Safety first.
Safety first. Safety first.
First, I would like also to add, there's additional safety measures that we're implementing every race. Each participant of my daily budget present are insured on the day itself. So whatever happens, you are insured. So, but for safety is precautions.
For this one po, sir, okay lang po siya inumin.
Pwedeng inumin ng mga may medical condition.
Yes po. Yung nga sir, meron na kami na i-cover usually pagka may diabetic or kasi meron siyang konting sugar because of the mango flavor. We recommend na consume lang din sa But again sir, ano naman siya wala pa naman kami na i-counter na mayroong medical condition tapos nagkaroon siya ng contraindications.
Ages.
Okay, ages. Okay. Going back to the discussion that we had with our Japanese partners, naturally we have collagen, and then as we age, nababawasan na siya. So, based on our data that we gathered from the sales inquiries or order inquiries that we have, may mga bata na nagtitik ng may daily collagen. I think as young as 18, pero if you look at them, parang si Kune, sobrang active. So they just try to supplement that. For example, if you do long runs, long swimming joints mo, so di na siya papasok. You need to reciprocate it. And again, just to share din also na even without, before wala pa naman sa may daily content, if we eat mga foods like chicken feet, chicken wings, those are foods that are also good source of collagen. So, wala naman talaga siya, may bata naman kumain ng chicken. Little, di ba? So wala naman talaga age siya. Kaya kasi habang bata pa tayo, mas marami pa tayo supply ng collagen. But as we age, mas marami tayo activity, that's the time na kaya nandito si may daily collagen. Okay, good question. My daily collagen is available nationwide to all major retail partners. Number one, si Landers Superstore. I think we are the number one and best-selling collagen product inside Landers. Thank you, Landers. And of course, we are available nationwide. Available tayo sa Watson's, Mercury Drug. And recently, we're available ng last November, Shopwise, Marketplace, and we're also available in Ichikoshi and other, in Visayas, we're widely available in Rose Pharmacy, and then in Mindanao, sa HP1. So, ang maganda dito kasi sa may daily collagen, yung product natin is every time, every year, paganda na paganda yung ano natin sales natin. It's just to prove that nowadays, people are now more familiar with the brand and product. So,
thank you, Ollie. And now, Paul, pinag-uusapan natin kanina na My Daily Collagen Triathlon is not just about physical endurance. It's a celebration of ito, barkadahan, family, and community. And of course, the unyielding support and dedication of all our athletes. But we would also like to thank the sponsors na tumulong sa atin for this event. Paul, go ahead.
Sponsors for this year's event. Thank you to SBMA Tourism Department, Sagara Hotel, Lander Superstore, Hyper Ice, Sunto, Waking, Sip Purified Water, Tito's Lechon, Guitardo, Two Hole Barbecue, and 306.
I will also to add sa friends natin. We have here today Cesar from White Flower and Papaso.
Magandang umaga po. Gusto natin yung White Flower.
Yes. White Flower and Payback. Wow.
I think we included in your race kits.
I love it.
Race kits. Thank you, White Flower.
Pahit ng White Flower.
Of course, yung ating Lily's Peanut Butter.
May peanut butter.
Yes, Papa P. Dami naman pa